Hi friends, today we will do one more new craft using newspaper. First of all, take a newspaper and roll it like this, and at the edge glue it and allow it to dry. After drying, make it like flat. With the use of a rounded refill, you can roll this paper roll. Roll this nicely. So you will make a circle. You will use many papers like this and make a roll big. Again, one more paper I am rolling here. Make sure that edges are attached with. You can use white glue also. I used here glue gun. Please be careful while using glue gun. The gum will be very hot. It can burn your fingers. Here I am taking one bottle or any round shaped object to roll this paper to make like bangle shaped rounds. So I am doing it here. You can use any kind of bottle or any shapes like syrup bottles, water bottle also you can use. Now glue the edges and remove it slowly. You can get the circles. We should do circles with different sizes. I took one more small bottle. So again I am doing the same process here. I am rolling the paper, glue it again. Again be careful while gluing it. Slowly remove the roll. I have made many rolls like this. I will show you of different sizes. So you can use any rounded objects to make this. This is also we finished the base. Now let us paint this all to black. Before that, I have taken empty soap box. We'll prepare this soap box. First of all, glue the soap box and cover it with the tissue. You can squeeze the tissue before sticking it, so it will give the rough texture. It will be looking good when you paint it. Now I cover all the tissue with box and I am painting it with acrylic black color all around. So all the four sides I am going to paint this acrylic black color and allow it to dry. Now it is not dried properly. I will keep for drying. Also we will paint this all the thing with it. Paint all the rolls with the black color only. Keep it for drying. Now it is ready for use. Cover all the spaces with paint. This also I have painted. Now take golden metallic color. You can use the sponge also to do this. I used my fingers here. See the tissue paper we attached. It is giving some lined texture. It looks great for the gold metallic paint to appear here. Also we will give the gold metallic color to this paper roll also. You can use also brush. Now stick this paper roll to the soap box with the glue. I use glue gun so it will dry faster. If you use Fevicol or other gum, it will take some time for drying. Now the base is ready. Now we will stick these rolls. I have given to this metallic copper color upon black. Now I am sticking this first base like this. You can use your own ideas. If you want to glue it in another way, you can try also. I tried this way. You can use your styles. This is how. Hold it for some time until it gets dry. Otherwise it will fall out this one. Now it is dried and it is looking like this. Now we will decorate this. I have done some eggshell craft. I'm keeping this eggshell emojis on this. You can keep any pieces like birds will look great. So here it goes. If you like it, please subscribe, like and share my channel. Thank you.